Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Roblox Life together. First, navigate to the Roblox platform and search for Life Together. Once found, click to launch the game. New players will be prompted to create an avatar and choose an initial starting location. Ensure you have a stable internet connection for the best experience, as this game relies heavily on real-time interaction with other players. It's designed for cooperative fun with one or more friends. The core of Life Together revolves around collaboration. You and your friends will interact with the environment, gathering essential resources like wood and stone. These materials are crucial for building and crafting. Work together on shared objectives, whether it's farming crops, constructing a new room, or completing a quest given by an in-game character. Effective communication, perhaps through the in-game chat, is key to coordinating your efforts and maximizing your progress as a team. A significant part of the game involves building and customizing your shared home. Using the resources you've gathered, you can construct new rooms, add walls, and expand your living space. The game offers hundreds of furniture pieces and decorative items to personalize your interior. Don't forget to customize your avatar too, with countless outfits and accessories available. Work with your friends to design a home that truly feels like yours, reflecting the unique style of your group. For a richer experience, consider specializing roles. One player might focus on farming while another gathers wood, optimizing resource collection. You can also create a private server, allowing only your invited friends to join, ensuring a more controlled and intimate gameplay session. Don't hesitate to engage with the wider Roblox Life Together community online. You'll find countless tips, tricks, and creative ideas to enhance your game. There are always new challenges and game modes to explore, keeping the fun going for many hours.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.